Okay, would you please introduce yourself?
Good day, ma'am. Good day, sir. My name is Abigail Espetalver. I'm 42 years old. I have a married. I have a two children, two, two, one, 20 girls and 17 girls. I have a 4 brothers and 3 sisters. I have a 8 member of their family.
Okay, so why do you have experience as a domestic helper before?
Yes, ma'am. I have experience in Philippines.
How long did you work here in the Philippines?
2 years.
2 years. So, what are your duties and responsibilities?
Um, taking care of their children. Two, two girls and one boy.
Okay, so how many are they in the family?
There are 4 members in their family.
Only one helper in the house?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what do you prefer to take care, newborn or children?
Newborn, ma'am.
Newborn. If your holiday is not on Sunday, do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with babies, children, and elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with another helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of dog or cat?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of disabled?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol or smoke regularly?
No, ma'am.
Do you eat pork?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have tattoo?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have vision problems?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is your tattoo?
Hands.
Okay, in your hands. Okay. So, do you have vision problem?
Yes, ma'am.
You wear eyeglass or
Yes, ma'am. I wear eyeglass, ma'am.
just only the reading problem,
Yes.
right? Okay. So, do you hold any certificate like first aid, caregiver,
No, ma'am.
nurse? Okay. Have you any prolonged illnesses undergone surgery?
No, ma'am.
Have you ever involved in any criminal labor police cases?
No, ma'am.
So, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because of high salary and almost I want to earn and save money for my education and future of my child.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.